Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. In this quick video related to data visualization tools for data scientists, I'm going to share how data visualization tools help data scientists and what are the benefits of using data visualization tool as a data scientist. And also I'll share the list of best data visualization tools which is available in the market, so you can learn and prepare accordingly. So as a data scientist, you know that data is everything. Without data you can't make informed decision, develop your strategy, or even you can't understand what is going on in your business. But data by itself is just a bunch of numbers, so to make sense of it all you need to be able to visualize the data in a way that is easy to understand. So that's where the data visualization tool comes into picture. And if we talk about what exactly the data visualization, so data visualization is the process of taking data and representing it visually. This can be done in variety of ways, but the most common data visualization tools are like charts, or we can say the graphs. So there are many different data visualization tools available, but not all of them are created equal, or we can say some are better suited for certain types of data while others are better for the general purpose. And of course some are just more user friendly or easier to use than others. So to help you choose the right data visualization tool for your needs, I have compiled a list of best data visualization tools which can help you to become a data scientist. But before going through the tools list, let's understand the benefits of data visualization. Okay, so the data visualization has many benefits for data scientists. Okay, perhaps the most obvious benefit is that it can help you to make sense of large and complex data sets. By visualizing this data, you can more easily identify patterns, trends, and the relationships between the data. So in the end, data visualization can also help you communicate your findings to the others. If we say a well-designed chart, or we can say the graph, can be much more effective at conveying your information or your message than a table of data. And when you are presenting your findings to the clients or senior management, data visualization can help make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. So finally, data visualization can help you spot errors in your data. When you are working with large data set, it is easy to make mistakes, but if you visualize the data, you are more likely to spot errors that you might otherwise miss. So now it's time to go through the list of data visualization tools what we are having. So here I'm telling you the 10 tools which can help you. So it's not the high priority or low priority. These are the 10 best tools, whichever suitable for you. Just learn those tools. So first we are having the Google Chart. It's a powerful and easy to use data visualization tool that lets you create interactive charts and graphs from your data. If I talk about the next tool, that is HighCharts. HighCharts is another great data visualization tool that offers a wide range of charts and data. It's very easy to use and has a wide range of features. Next we are having the JavaScript library, that is d3.js. It is useful for creating data visualization, and it's a great option for those who want to create their own data visualization from the scratch. Next, the most famous tool we are having Tableau. Tableau is a popular data visualization tool that offers a wide range of features and options. Then we are having Microsoft Power BI, is a powerful data visualization tool that offers a wide range of features and options, and it is easy to use and has a wide range of integrations, making it a great option for those who want to use data visualization tool to make better decisions. There are some other tools we are having like ClickView, SAS Visual Analytics, IBM Cognos Analytics, Oracle Analytics Cloud also we are having, and last we are having TIBCO Spotfire. So these are the 10 tools, but we are having more tools in the market like AnyChart, FutureChart, Chart.js, Plotly, Bokeh, Leaflet. So we are having multiple tools, but you need to identify which tool suits you better to understand and that you can use it. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find so, then don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends, subscribe this channel for more related content, and also don't forget to mention in the comment section if you what you think about the data visualization tool futures in the market. And also you can message me what next you want from me. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.